Hi guys on YouTube. This is brand new. This is Oxels for power washer. Yeah. And this we got some and down there. And it's got some in front on it. Yeah. That was noisy, didn't it? So this has got some down. So when I get do this, when I'll open it, I'm going to get some scissors.
Join the AA, the UK's #1. Our patrols will usually get you back on the road in around 30 minutes. Plus, with unlimited call-outs, we'll always be there if you need us. Get that feeling for £6 a month. The AA. Join today at theaa.com. It was designed to improve fashion. It's changing everything.
Got it. There you are. It's got in the manual there.
A man of bright yellow shirt scrubs naked. He rings out a steady fog as his large white labradoodle bounds over.
It's got some. It's got Anthony's on it, but
5 minute contact time for Andrea.
That means done. The new flash spray white gun.
There. We can open it like up here. Yeah. And it slides it in like that. Carefully, very slowly. It gets that's got me.
Try selling them on Vinted to earn some extra cash. It's simple. Just snap and sell without fees to other Vinted members. Download the free Vinted.
That needs to come off.
Your dentures seem to get fine when you first put them on, but during the day they can move. In the morning, noon, evening. Enough is enough.
That needs to come off.
It's designed to be professional to give you superior holding and gum irritation from day one. Excellent professional, live with more bite.
Did you ring it?
Yeah, the neighbours next door got burgled last night.
Really?
There you are.
Wow.
Came to the
Come off. That one's come off.
We really need to install an alarm.
I'll call straight away.
Very Sure Alarms and Cameras. Install your alarm now and get a free video doorbell. Call now or start your quote at verysure.co.uk.
We're offering 50%
Stand aside where?
5 years interest-free credit. Plus, our summer sale is now on.
Time to go to sleep now.
I can't sleep without Funny.
That needs to come off as well.
Stairs with Grandma.
Easy. I've got to go and get some nice. Things never change. That's that. We've been helping people like you to move
So lift the box.
Oh,
yes.
Our staircases are fitted in less than a day. Carry on just as normal.
I can't sleep without Teddy.
Contacts.
There you are. There you are.
People
That-
being you.
That's knees. Lift the box out. Oh God. Careful, very heavy. Is it? Wow, that's box. That's neat. Come off. Cause don't take out.
Now,
Look,
do not try this at home. These are professionally.
that one's new. And it slides in like that.
She wears it
That it's got brand new on it. And there. And besides we and besides we as well. So when it get to now it's got last one's got opening.
The 5-time SmackDown Women's Champion, and now the 5-time Raw Women's Champion, making me the only 11-time Women's Champion.
See, we get to then he's open it like that. Okay. Open, stupid damn it. Wow! There you yeah! That popped on it! That popped on it! There's squeeze in there. No. Oh, there's instructions there. That's from stickers on it.
With this beat to Byron's point, an opportune time to get the overconfident champion in her glory. It's an opportune time for Rhea to come out and bask in some of Charlotte's light, that's for sure. We never know. Maybe Rhea's out here to congratulate the queen as well. Oh, come on, Saxton. This is your first day of school.
That's got stickers on it. I'll be careful. I'll be careful. And they can paint shop paint it. And drill holes on it. Drill holes. They need to take a top off on there. Oh.
You got fans.
And he's going there. Then he's taken out. Right. Oh. Some bushes. There. Knees. And knees. A horse. A pipe holes on.
You were sitting in that corner holding your knee, whining, oh, little girl, about your knee. So as much as I'd like to, finish the job
And
for your sake,
and lift off and trying to handle. Yeah, it doesn't working yet.
First of all, congratulations.
And the tools and then it's got some
An incredible accomplishment.
and shakes a water bottle.
I think you just said you could beat Rhea.
It doesn't open. It doesn't open like that. Yeah.
You should be too. So allow me to make it official.
We popped out weird, and then gets to there, then gets out. That one's out in the box. We can wheels on. You can wheels on power wash and it likes the wheels on the bus go round and around. Yeah. for circles, yeah. Let's go now. Let's go. The plate. Let's go parts on it. So let's go parts. Let's go parts. That's getting in Leicester. Got parts on. Then it's got. The box has got emptied. Then it's full back. So when I get due, we can open it. We will open it. We will open it like that.
Is anything going to get better than this? Lots of new faces, take you to breathtaking places. Get away this every Friday from 7 on Channel 5, also stream on Now 5.
Because of so we got plug that needs to come off. Toss it in the bin. I need lift me boxes out the way.
Full let's learn through. He keeps the rain away. See? Not a cloud in the sky. And the surprise will lead to reception.
Bag goes in there.
You know when you found the right job. Now you're free to find yours. Total Jobs. Jobs are our job.
Don't kick it and don't kick it on it. Oh, the brakes. Yeah. Good.
Access to our unique collection of British Army records.
See that? And it's got. That's lifted.
Did you read it?
Yeah, the neighbours next door got burgled last night. Came to the garden.
That could have been us. We really
That
need
needs
to install an
lift.
alarm.
I'll call straight away.
Very sure alarms and cameras.
So
Install your alarm now.
then it's lit.
Video doorbell.
Oh, no. That's got stainless steel. This has got. So this has got stainless steel one. Then it's popped in there.
Cook delicious midweek meals in just 20 minutes with Simply Cook. Order your £3 trial box now at simplycook.com.
Let's get into it, Peloton.
Where's me phone?
All the way up.
Find your own zone and push it. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Hold on.
Are you ready? Woo! Let's kick off this outdoor run. Let's go, Peloton.
So many Peloton newbies on the leaderboard today.
Nothing like working out from home. Peloton.
That's got clicks in. So. That clicks in, yeah. Let's go. What's that fun for?
You ping pong.
Yeah.
You switch energy.
So what you can do?
Use Switch.com and you can save
So-
hundreds of pounds.
So then he's
Part exchanging.
um
A bigger discount on your next
where it
car.
gone?
What's your edge number now? Are we buying
So.
Tired
The
of
other
Cocoa
side,
lose their freshness
right.
too soon? Now they can smell fresh
Right
leaves.
now.
Put Lenore Unstoppables in-wash scent boosters directly into the drum before every wash and enjoy non-stop freshness that lasts and lasts. The Nora Unstoppables.
Let's click on
Non-stop
there.
freshness for weeks.
No, it doesn't
With
fit.
calcium and vitamin D, Patty Flu is a healthy snack that helps kids' brains develop along with their imaginations. Pick up a pack today for your chance to win big with Team GB.
He's a man on a mission to take over your weekends.
Then he scores in there.
He won't
Right.
flinch, and he won't forget to stretch. I'm ready. Jean-Claude Van Damme Caesar
Then he goes
continues with
in there. Right.
tonight at 9 on Paramount Network.
Now on Paramount Network, please do not try this at home. These are professionally trained
Click.
athletes.
Oh,
It's almost as though what's all is
Yeah.
new again. Jeff Hardy rejuvenated
It's in.
on Monday Night Raw, and he better be at the top
So-
of his game because Karrion Kross would love to make a statement win over a future Hall of Fame. Infernal demeanor on the face of Karrion Kross.
doesn't wobble, so scores in it.
Perhaps the most terrifying
But
aspect
don't
of
go.
Karrion
It's
Kross'
don't
game
again.
is his intellect.
It don't want to get hurt either.
He is intimidated at all by
And it's
every
got
ring.
fire.
Jeff Hardy, look out!
Oh.
He's doing it now. I've never seen Karrion Kross show any
Sorry.
anything close to
That-
intimidation. No one will accuse Karrion Kross of ever having a
There you are.
focus. Kross does get intimidated, never victimized by it. I own you.
Yeah. So it's in.
It's that sense of destiny where he believes he's going to win and dominate every single time. Kross believes he is the personification of
Let's go
doomsday.
push.
Karrion Kross is here to change the game by his
No
own
one.
hand. Oh, how about a change of plans? Courtesy of Jeff Hardy.
Anybody.
That's the experience
So,
style
wait.
of Jeff Hardy.
So,
Are you kidding me? Oh, is Hardy going to play spoiler? I think it might happen, Corey. Oh my God, no! He's at his best. Kross out of the way, just in time.
then
And
let's come on.
tick-tock, the end is near.
Yes.
Oh, it's coming now. Oh no, Hardy able to evade him. Kross now battering Hardy. It's that physical
That one's come off.
dominance.
Toss it in the bin. We can and cables disrupting like that. Like that. And twist the cables.
Swanton didn't land. The Swanton didn't find the mark. But talk about adaptability, veteran instinct. Kross was looking to slam the door on Jeff Hardy, but Hardy had
Internet.
wherewithal to make the most of the situation despite extracurricular activity.
They twist it like that.
Your reaction to losing your Monday Night Raw debut to Jeff Hardy?
And
Jeff Hardy
okay.
just made the biggest mistake of his life. Because in the end, everyone will fall and pray.
And twist it. Cables twisted.
Ominous, menacing warning from Karrion Kross, who you can bet your bottom dollar will not take this defeat lightly. Disappointment becomes fury when it comes to Karrion Kross.
Yeah. There you are.
24 hours after their epic match at Money in the Bank, we will see the rematch. The champion Charlotte Flair taking on the former champion Rhea Ripley. It is up next. We got something special on our hands about to go down. The Nightmare, the Queen, Raw Women's Championship.
Yes. Then it's no good.
is over. The Raw Women's Championship match is set to take place. Charlotte Flair out of the gate fast. Ripley sends it coming. Really imposing her will, utilizing her power, and unleashing the brutality on the champ. Week after week, how much
Let's twist it again.
From Charlotte Flair and applied those teachings to overcome Flair. Can Rhea do it again here tonight? With a rematch this soon, you always wonder what has changed between matches. Rhea Ripley smiling a lot in previous encounters, trying to poke fun at Charlotte Flair. None of that tonight. I already told you what's changed. Rhea Ripley had her leg injured last night. Less than 24 hours later, Ripley coming in at this at significantly less than 100%. That's what's changed. I agree with you, Corey, but I'll also add this. How about the mental state of Charlotte Flair, who wanted no part of Rhea Ripley tonight?
Nearly there.
Don't
Don't be worried.
And then the decision was made, hey, Charlotte, you gotta defend your title. Charlotte Flair is a champion. It's quite simply what she does. It's
On
who
there.
she is. And Charlotte Flair had no intention of defending her title tonight because she was not contractually obligated. So yeah, Rhea got under Charlotte's skin, forced her hand a little bit. That doesn't change the fact that Rhea's less than 100%. Hitting shots of Rhea Ripley and Charlotte Flair. After that figure 8 last night, I think
Oh, sorry.
50% is probably generous for it.
On there.
Impressive one-legged drop kick by Ripley. That's intensity to the cover. And I'll give credit where it's due. Rhea's knee appears to be holding up fairly well in the early moments of this contest, but you can bet everything you own Charlotte Flair will target the knee again. We saw it earlier tonight when the challenge was issued. Charlotte Flair kicking out the knee of Rhea Ripley. Heavy right hand from Ripley slows the queen down for the moment. Trying to send a message that she is healthy. And you know what, guys? Let's be perfectly honest. After the grueling battle last night, there's a very real possibility that Charlotte's not even 100%. Rhea Ripley took Charlotte Flair to the limit last night in Money in the Bank. No doubt about that. To get to the point I made earlier, we saw doubt in the eyes of the queen. We saw the queen question her strategy, question whether or not she could defeat Rhea Ripley. Inside cradle by Ripley, shoulders down, back. Out before 3. But Charlotte Flair has to overcome this aggression from Rhea Ripley. When she's at offensive, she's at her best. No one's at their best when they're being beaten up, Jimmy. Go behind by Ripley. Oh, German suplex. No doubt Rhea Ripley spent all night. As we take another look here, just German suplex. I probably spent all night reviewing the tape, watching the match over and over, trying to find out what mistakes she made that she won't make in the future. To the cover. And I'm agree with that, Byron. Rhea Ripley's a very, very serious competitor. As we look again at the impressive drop kick, I assure you, I would be willing to bet Rhea Ripley barely
tools
last night.
in there.
Looks like Rhea Ripley so far in this match wants a quick one, wants a short one.
Tools in there for a reason. Like that.
Knows her limitations tonight. Ripley needs to get this done early. And there we go. Favoring that left leg. Surprise to no one. Oh, and the queen again. Bullseye has been identified by Charlotte Flair.
In there for a reason. Like that.
This could very well be a game-changing moment in this Raw Women's Championship matchup. This could be career-changing for Rhea Ripley. Her knee may have just exploded. He's sending the message, you challenged me.
That's me tools.
Ripley is hurt badly. Can this match continue with an injured Rhea Ripley?
Want me to tell you who Drew McIntyre is?
The Scottish Warrior.
They've had more ups and downs than they can possibly count over that whole journey, unlike anyone else.
That's live what we keep on it.
Take it straight to the point. Now I'm gonna show you.
I am not just on top of the mountain. Drew McIntyre is the damn mountain. Back here on Monday Night Raw Women's Championship on the line. Charlotte Flair defending against former champion Rhea Ripley.
That's
checked on my
and
WWE medical team during the commercial break, was deemed able to compete, but Charlotte Flair looks to change that situation altogether. The same cannot be said for the reigning Raw Women's Champion. Charlotte Flair placing Ripley in position. The Queen looking to take flight. As we look once again at the monstrous move from Flair. Charlotte now way up top. Looking to close out. Rhea Ripley. Oh! Got the knees up. But
Gets to there.
Cost to herself. They dive right into the knees. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. You don't think Rhea's... Rhea Ripley indeed taking a plane.
Doesn't work.
Playbook. And she did it.
That. Oh! Oh! That leg. No. Goes in there. Goes in by the inside.
Reverse the pressure now is on Rhea Ripley. Brilliant move by Charlotte Flair. Charlotte Flair just stomping at her challenger. And now the trademark Flair chops echoing throughout the arena. They're trying to abolish the iron will of Rhea Ripley. Rhea Ripley thought she had it in her grasp. Side kick. Ripley, wait a minute, look at Rhea wants the riptide. Not sure she can hoist that Charlotte with a big riptide to the cover.
That's not going there. That's so nasty needs going in there. Like that.
Agree with you, Saxton. Rhea needs to stay the course. Don't argue with the official. Ripley has the champion in jeopardy. Seeing Charlotte Flair fall down, letting her emotions get the best of her. You're right. Ripley's got to keep
It's got pressure washer.
on the Queen. Oh, she's lost her. Wait a minute. I think Charlotte's listen, you got to respect this decision. Champion's advantage.
That it needs goes in there.
Lose a significant amount of the
Into there.
This is how the Queen looks to retain her championship. Oh, wait a minute. Ripley giving chase. Oh! That's not a count. He's going to force a disqualification. Here's your winner after a result of a disqualification. Rhea Ripley! Talk about a champion's advantage. Charlotte Flair. Going to cost Flair some money.
That's horse.
Still your WWE champion. Raw Women's champion, excuse me.
That is opening.
The title can only exchange hands by pinfall or submission. So still, your Raw Women's champion, Charlotte Flair. It was intentional. It was effective. Oh, again. Rhea's had enough.
And don't be keep fully. With pressure washer.
The Raw Women's Championship. Animosity falls over. This match is finished. Oh my God.
That needs lift. Pressure washer. Lift. Goes. It's there. Come on. That's not come on. It's just later. That's neat lid. That's neat pressure washers in it, wasn't it? This needs pressure washers. You take it off for a minute. I can stand up.
Clarify your intentions. We're on board HMS North.
No one got shot. Been there, throw a man overboard.
This is life on the edge. If people get this wrong, it will
That is
result in
take
conflict.
off for a minute.
Your ship's life at
That
sea.
needs and put on. Oh, sorry.
Escape every Friday with Channel 5.
Oh no.
Something that makes you want to sing when you're at it.
Take in the views.
It almost feels too exotic to be England.
And breathe in the sea air.
The colours are gorgeous, light is
That's
amazing. I have it completely to myself.
Awesome.
Probably the most enormous home I've ever seen. There's something rather wonderful pulling over to the side of the road. Not a soul within view. Oh, beautiful. I didn't realise how beautiful Scotland was.
No.
Is anything going to get better than this?
Yes.
Take you to breathtaking places. Get away this summer every Friday from 7 on Channel 5. Also stream on My 5.
Then he's put it back on.
We've got all the latest from entertainment news and 5.
Oh.
This is entertainment news on
Put
5.
on.
Today, the cast of Stillwater hit the Cannes red carpet. KSI pens his girlfriend a love song. And here's one way to greet your team.
Just a plastic.
First, sci-fi thriller War of the Worlds is back for a second series. Ty Tennant, son of David Tennant, plays Tom Gresham. What can we expect this time round?
So he's a lot different from series 1. I think he's gotten harder. I think from just the obstacles that he has to hold on his shoulders now. I think it's a lot more than just, I think he has a lot more responsibility.
In terms of stepping into that character, what do you like the most about transforming from Ty to Tom?
I've liked how I've had my own input, like as Ty into Tom, because I think they're quite similar people, really. Like, if I was in his shoes, I don't think I'd be. I don't want to say it. I'm going to say it. Kind of badass in season 2.
Screw it,
You like
later.
solving puzzles and thriller movies? Escape Rooms Tournament of Champions is just for you.
We got a box with the name Sonia on it and some razor sharp diamonds.
We got a box like that with Sonia on it, and there's 2 stacks of blank bills.
I know what I mean. Teen Wolf Holland Roden tells us what attracts people to these freaky films.
It's interesting to see vulnerability and how people take that differently. And so, yeah, I think people being vulnerable is one of the most
That's
intriguing
neat.
things to watch, I guess.
What's going on?
And solving mind games is also
Oh, it doesn't
interesting.
work.
And the standing
Properly.
ovation goes to Matt Damon next, who was screaming his new film Stillwater at the Cannes Film Festival and had a big surprise when the event was full of eager watchers.
I didn't see it coming. I didn't know that was going to happen. I just turned around and just saw everybody, and it was just
That needs.
I've just become accustomed to seeing things, a little room on a TV.
I went out recently and could not believe I was in a room with 10 people. How times have changed, hey? Another one enjoying themselves in the south of France is Tilda Swinton. She had 3 films in competition at this
That's
year's
not
Cannes
screwed
Film
yet.
Festival, one being a slow drama called Memoria,
That's
which has
been
left
turned
viewers
on
at the screening
like that.
struggling to sum up the film. Can Tilda help us out?
Nope, not me, but they're having a go at it, and they're doing really well. It's amazing, it's
That's
beautiful,
neat
right?
down there.
I have to say, I feel a really good film brings out really good songwriting.
Memoria will be officially released later this year. Maybe you can make sense of it. If you're a basketball fan, up next, Space Jam: A New Legacy is out now in cinemas. American comedian Gabriel Iglesias is the new voice of Speedy Gonzales and can also voice the other characters too.
Yeah.
Check this out.
What you got?
Yeah, Marvin the Martian. Oh, fine. My modulator. Yosemite Sam.
Hello, amigos. I am Speedy Gonzales, the fastest mountain all Mexico. Arriba!
They can save a lot of money. Just hire this one. And
What?
Wow, sign him up. That is impressive. Next.
What do you
KSI
say?
stopped rapping and singing. What do you make of his new tune Holiday? Take a
Okay,
box
you
out
do that.
all over the place.
Well, maybe next week, Do it next week. We have to do it next week now.
And KSI continues to prove the public wrong.
Yeah, and I just speak just the videos.
They said I couldn't do a song on my own to do well. So for this song to do better than all the songs that I put out before, it just really silenced a lot of haters.
We'll do a face mask next week because the video
Next,
yeah.
Lola Lennox, daughter of Eurythmics star Annie Lennox, got her mum's beautiful jeans. This is her new single, Love Like That.
So, my dad told us, that's all.
feel like uplifted and empowered. You know, it's about falling in love, but it's also about falling
That's
in
neat.
love with
Come up.
yourself and feeling
Up there.
like you can conquer your dreams.
I'm just lift the
You
power
can do what
washer
you
up.
want to do, find your passions in life.
Love the energy.
Lift the washer up.